Dear student, now I'm going to talk about the second topic, which is job versus career. The general perception is job and career are same. They are not. Job is a defined activity in a time frame. For example, you take up a job in an organization. Your roles and responsibilities are defined, and then your working hours are known, and then there is a then they are going to retire at a particular age. Whereas a career is much more than a job. Let me illustrate. Came across an IAS officer who was talking on in a TV channel. He was looking fairly young, but he had already retired. So he said, "I am retired from my job." So he is spending his time playing golf. So then we have Amitabh Bachchan, who is 20 years older than him, who is still acting in a new genre of films. So he's trying to rediscover himself all the time. So this is the difference between job and a career. Career is much more than a job. So try to have a career, not job. A job has to be a subset of career and not an end by itself. So this can happen when you do a proper career planning, and then you can, and the career is something of where you are in charge of the whole thing. Job is somewhere you are going to follow instructions in a set pattern defined by the organization. This is the fundamental difference between the two. There is a overlapping between job and career. When you are when you plan for a career, let's say it's a music, and you take up a assignment, so that is a job. So there is a career beyond that particular assignment also. So let's talk about how this affects a person. There was a very famous surgeon in United States. He was a cardiac surgeon. He retired when he was in 70s, and he had a very successful career. He was well known, and he was very satisfied and content with his career. But one fine morning he said, "Okay, let me retire from this job. Let me pursue something." He was wondering what I need to do. Then he suddenly remembered when he was in a school, he was very fond of music. But it so happened that he chose medicine as a profession and pursued that as his life's objective. Then he started learning piano. Within no time, he became one of the best pianists. And then one fine morning, to the utter shock of his family members, relatives, and friends, he announced, "I have wasted my entire life. I should have been a pianist." So this is the kind of chance discovery many people encounter, whereas most of us will not even know whether there was some career which was most suited for us. So the point I am trying to make is, try to identify the right kind of career. This exercise is worth doing it, and there is a very scientific process to accomplish this. Please go through the process. At the end of it, you will be clear about what is the career most suited for you. So please do this. There is one more example. You may have heard, I do not think many of you have heard about Mansoor Khan. He is a first cousin of Bollywood superstar Amir Khan. He did his BS and MS in computer science from Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is rated as the best institute technological university in the world. So he came back to India in early 80s. Someone like him was expect when the IT industry was just growing. Someone like him is expected to set up an IT company in Silicon Valley, and we will take it to NASDAQ listing. But he did not pursue that path. He came from a family of producers. His father and Amir's father both were producers of many hit films like Yadon Ki Barat, Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi, like that. And then he made a film, Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak. And then another film he made after 3 years called Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. After a few years, he made one more film. Both first two films he made with Amir. Third film he made with Shah Rukh, and then that's the end of it. He did this first film when he was in late 20s. Now he is 60-year-old. He is doing organic farming in Ooty. When people ask him, he said, "This is the most satisfying thing I am doing. That's the reason I gave up filmmaking. Though all three films of his were super hits, in a span of more than 30 years, he has produced only three films." So the point I am trying to make is, have your own way. Do not go with the herd. Do not get influenced by what. Do not be a copycat. You have something which will be really self-fulfilling for you when you pursue that. So identify that and then pursue that, and at the end of it, you will be really happy with what you are doing. So go for a career, not for a job. Thank you.